But in a magical forest, ancient trees touched the sky as dawn brought a new day. A clever fox named Leo, with bright, curious eyes, began his daily exploration. He soon found a tiny, shimmering light caught within a delicate spiderweb. With gentle care, Leo freed the light, which instantly transformed into Luna. Luna, with shimmering wings, danced above him, her magic filling the air. A playful chase began as they bounded through the forest, their laughter echoing. With a flick of her hand, Luna made flowers bloom, painting their path with vibrant hues. They reached a cliff overlooking floating islands. Luna took his paw, and a light path appeared. Leo, wide-eyed with wonder, took his first floating step, embarking on a new journey. Under a massive, colorful moon, their grand adventure truly began, paw in hand. And so their magical journey unfolded, a tale of friendship and endless possibilities.